MOT brings about and gives you the different tools in order to be able to monitor that personally as an individual and be able to respond to every negative thought that might come your way, as well as to embrace everything from a positive point of view and also look at humanity in a different light where it comes from a positive point of view. And not being able to fit in is also another thing that most youth of today always have to look at. Now it affects them emotionally and mentally. It puts them on a different platform in the sense of, do I actually belong here? What MOT also does is creates that sense of belonging and shows them that they are someone that is important. It's okay to be different, but also in a good way, and not have that feeling of I don't belong, and have those little voices in your head saying to you that you cannot do it and you cannot be. So MOT basically shows us and shows everybody that I've encountered in my life. I have seen that how the steps and the tools that is given of how youth are empowered each and every day, and it brings out their uniqueness, which also brings us to a family.